2, 1, go. Oh, hey, I'm Brad.
I'm Xavier.
And we're going to say a few updates we've got for 2016. So, this year we're starting college and we're going to be a bit busier and stuff, but it's going to be jam-packed since last year we only got to do it for 2 months and we got 4 videos, but so this is going, no 4 because we got to this year.
Oh, true.
Yeah, so this year's going to be jam-packed with BMXing and scooters, but we'll mainly focus on BMXing this year since we didn't do it last year. But yeah, that's basically it. We've got a lot of stuff jam-packed in. We're even thinking of making webisodes. A little series, a movie about scootering, and yeah, it's going to be really cool. So, okay, this is Brad.
And Xavier, thanks for subscribing and watching.
And thanks for over 150 views. I know it's a bit down, but we just like it. We're just doing it. Okay, see ya.